What's up everyone? Today I'm in a location that may look familiar. It's a school that Lord Explorers and I explored before, but we missed one key part. Apparently in the boiler room, or in the boiler section of this place, there is an entire fallout shelter with left behind supplies, rooms that are shut off, and like a bunch of crazy stuff from Cold War era. So we're gonna go down there and we're gonna take a look because last time we kind of had to leave before we got to see it all. So with that being said, let's get to exploring.
Not bad, I don't think. I think it's still winter and all the rollers strong.
Oh my. Look at that. That's some impressive mold.
Look at this black mold, guys. I've never seen black mold like this. This is like the actual spores of it growing into like colonies on this door. I'm glad it's not the summer because it's, oh man.
Gross.
I'm just gonna poke some with a stick.
What
is it? Oh, it's like hard. I think that is mold?
Yeah, it's gotta be.
It has to be.
I've never seen anything like this.
So much mold. This would be hell in the summer.
Respirators was a good call. Look at this mold, guys.
Yeah. I'll put on my filters.
Alright. So what's going on first? You can just hear the metal cracking. I don't know if you guys can hear it.
Shelter looks like on Google, but service is shit. And it went really far, so
That's it then.
there's all like the boiler equipment and stuff. That would have powered the facility.
Oh, cool. Here's the underside of the boiler, or one of the boilers. Look at the rust on this guy. Insane.
You know how far that goes? It might be, but it might not have dry it. I don't know if you want to do it. What is that thing?
Looks almost like an air compressor of some sort. I don't know if it is, but it looks like it. Alright, so I think we just struck gold and found the shelter. So, we just found drinking water. So we're either in the shelter right now, or very close to it. I don't know exactly what I'm looking for, but that's awesome. Here's, hey, check this out, Lord.
What's up?
Do you see these? Here's sanitation kits. So they must have been like, maybe bags or stuff for the bathroom. For people to use the bathroom in.
Sanitation kit. But nobody ate them all. Is there more over there?
There's another part that's all underwater.
Looks like it's at least partially frozen.
There's a few of these sliding doors here, and we think each one of these rooms has something different to do with the fallout shelter. We think this was just storage. We think this is where they kept, like, as you saw, water, sanitary supplies, and probably food was here. So we're going to keep going because we walked past a bunch of these doors. We're going to see what these other rooms have inside. Our next room. So here's It's like some cabinets, metal cabinets, heavily rusted of course, like everything else in here. So this might have been the shower area. There's a drain here, a mirror there, so it kind of makes sense. And yeah, it looks like the water used to be there up to a handle. That's probably where they control it. Yeah, that makes sense if this was the shower area.
So, is it that or it's an
Motor?
A motor, yeah. Pretty cool.
Oh, cool. Check this out. This looks like it was probably a diesel generator that powered this place. I don't know if they put this in here for the fallout shelter or for the school that this place is in. But it's interesting that this hasn't been stripped for parts or anything. Oh, these are used for, they're judging by the stuff up there. Looks like it's ready for conduit.
Is what?
So these were, I don't know if these were fuse boxes or transformers or what, but there's like 3 rows of these massive things. Oh, here's another one of those things that's in that cabinet over there. Looks like they ripped this one out.
Yeah, I really need to get like a decent contract. If you look through the hole, there's a bunch of gravel piled up, and they would do that on the outsides of like bomb shelters. I don't know if you find anything.
the open thing at the back? It goes back to the boiler room.
Okay.
This thing's probably from like the 40s or the 30s.
Text looks like it.
Yeah, not crazy.
Yeah, the logo. That definitely looks old. Looks like something you'd see in a Fallout game.
That's what I was gonna say. Yeah, that's what I meant. Damn.
If the Fallout shelter was ever needed to be used, guessing the people went in here and then closed these doors, because these are some thick doors. So I got one was living quarters maybe, or just like where you would stay. The other was for all their supplies.
All right, guys, so that about wraps it up. We saw a lot of really cool stuff down there. it was pretty interesting to see the left behind like water cans and like the sanitary cans like of the supplies that used to be down there. And the boiler room itself was pretty awesome. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Big thanks to Lord Explores again. It's always a pleasure exploring with him. Make sure to check out his channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next Explore.